When you think of Ford, the first thing that comes to mind is toughness. But what if I told you that Ford also has a lineup of SUVs that don't just perform, they last? We're talking about vehicles that you can count on for daily driving, family road trips, and even pushing past 200,000 miles with ease. So today, we're breaking down the 8 most reliable Ford SUVs you can buy. And trust me, some of these will surprise you. Let's kick things off with a classic, the Ford Explorer. This SUV has been around for decades, and it's one of Ford's best-selling models of all time. The Explorer is the kind of SUV that just does everything well. Solid engines, roomy interior, and proven durability. Owners consistently praise it for lasting well over 150,000 to 200,000 miles with proper care. It's also versatile, coming in trims that range from family-friendly to sporty to downright luxurious. Next up is a Ford Expedition. If you need a big SUV that can haul a family, tow a boat, and still feel comfortable on a road trip, the Expedition is your best friend. Built on a truck platform, it's rugged yet surprisingly refined. The twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 in recent models has proven to be both powerful and reliable, and many owners report crossing 250,000 miles without major issues. The Expedition is one of those SUVs that can handle just about anything life throws at it. Then we have the Ford Edge. This one sits right in the sweet spot between compact and full-size, making it a perfect option for families who don't want something too big. The Edge has earned its reputation by offering dependable engines, especially the naturally aspirated V6 and EcoBoost options. It's also comfortable, tech-friendly, and doesn't come with the high-maintenance headaches you sometimes see in other mid-sized SUVs. Of course, we can't forget the Ford Escape. This compact SUV has been a favorite for years thanks to its affordable price, great fuel economy, and reliable performance. The earlier generations especially gained a reputation for being simple, efficient, and easy to maintain. It's not the flashiest SUV, but it's one of those cars you can just buy, drive, and trust without worry. Now, let's talk about the Ford Flex. Even though it's no longer in production, the Flex has built a loyal following. Its boxy design made it stand out, but under the hood, it shared engines with the Explorer and Edge, giving it the same level of reliability. Families loved it for the massive interior space, and those who still own a Flex will tell you, it's built to last. Moving into off-road territory, we got the Ford Bronco Sport. It may be a newer entry, but it's built with the same reliability DNA as the Escape. Since they share a platform, the Bronco Sport is rugged enough for weekend adventures, but dependable enough for everyday commuting. Owners love that it doesn't sacrifice durability for style, and so far, it's proven to be a very solid choice. And of course, we can't leave out the Ford Bronco itself. The reborn Bronco has quickly earned a reputation for toughness, but it's also showing signs of long-term reliability. With its off-road capabilities, solid build quality, and proven engines, the Bronco is shaping up to be more than just a hype machine. It's a real contender for a reliable SUV you can keep for years. Finally, we have the Ford EcoSport. While it may not have the same fanfare as the Explorer or Expedition, it's a small SUV that appeals to those who want something compact, affordable, and dependable. The EcoSport isn't about thrills, it's about simplicity. And sometimes, that simplicity is exactly what makes a vehicle reliable in the long run. When you look across the lineup, Ford has created SUVs for just about every type of driver. Compact, mid-size, full-size, luxury-leaning, and adventure-ready. But the common thread is that with the right care, these SUVs can go the distance. Ford's reputation for strength doesn't stop with trucks. It carries over into their SUVs too. So, whether you're hunting for a family hauler, a weekend adventurer, or just a daily driver that won't let you down, these 8 Ford SUVs prove that reliability is built into the brand's DNA.
All right, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And I'll see you in next one.